Hello everybody, welcome to iExamBee's Legal Bee. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamBee. If you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel of iExamBee, that is Legal Bee, an exclusive law channel on which we keep on bringing some content and strategy for you for different examinations which you are giving after your law graduation, and even if you are preparing it side by side when you are doing your law. IBPS is one of the most reputed examinations which give you a position in different banks for law officer. So जो लोग इस एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं and they are confused about how to study the different law subjects from this particular exam point of view, then definitely आपको इस सीरीज के वीडियोस देख लेने चाहिए. IBPS SO लॉ एग्जाम के लिए मैंने सब्जेक्ट वाइज डिफरेंट वीडियोस बनाए हुए हैं एंड आई एम ऑल्सो कंटिन्यूइंग दिस सीरीज. आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. पिछले वीडियोस अगर आपने नहीं देखे हैं तो आप वो जाके प्लेलिस्ट में चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. एंड एक मैंने कॉमन वीडियो भी बनाया है जिसमें मैंने हाउ टू स्टडी द एंटायर लॉ सिलेबस भी कवर किया हुआ है. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू चेक इट आउट. इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट के बारे में स्टूडेंट्स को काफ़ी कन्फ्यूजन क्यों है, क्योंकि IBPS बैंकिंग एग्जामिनेशन के लिए अगर हम प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो इसमें ये सब्जेक्ट्स क्रिमिनल लॉ हो गया, एविडेंस हो गया, इनको कैसे कवर करना है ये बहुत बड़ा डायलेमा होता है स्टूडेंट्स के माइंड में. बिकॉज फॉर जुडिशरी एंड ऑल दे आर वेरी क्लियर दैट दीज सब्जेक्ट्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बट IBPS में पहले तो क्वेश्चन ये होता है कि ये सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ने हैं क्या, एंड अगर पढ़ने हैं तो इनको किस तरीके से अप्रोच करना है. See, this is the core section, this is the basic I would say. So basic सब्जेक्ट से अगर क्वेश्चन आता है तो वो आप कभी भी उससे एस्केप नहीं कर सकते. यू कैन नॉट से दैट दिस वाज नॉट देयर. यू आर एन LLB ग्रेजुएट, सो यू हैव टू हैव द बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ ऑल दीज सब्जेक्ट्स, बी इट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, बी इट the procedural laws, CPC, CRPC, IPC, evidence. This basic everybody should know. So but how you study that will differ. So once again I will welcome you all to our YouTube channel, and if you have any queries you can reach out to us on hello@iexamee.com. You can call us on this number 9205524028 or visit our website www.iexamee.com. Check out all the courses available, the mock tests also. You can check it out and solve it. So now coming to Indian Evidence Act. This I would say yes, it is a very interesting subject, and yes, it is very important even for these kind of examinations. अगर आप लॉ ऑफिसर बोल के अपॉइंट होने वाले हैं किसी बैंक में तो आपको काफ़ी सारे डॉक्यूमेंट से डील करना पड़ता है, आपको काफ़ी सारे एविडेंशियरी प्रोसीडिंग से डील भी करना पड़ता है. बीइंग अ लॉ ऑफिसर यू हैव टू फैसिलिटेट एंड चैनलाइज ऑल दीज थिंग्स. You cannot just stick to the banking laws. You have to have the knowledge of the basic laws and the procedure in the courts, and as well evidence is very important for you. Practically you should have the knowledge of this. And ये ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है कि जब आप इसको ओपन करोगे, बैरक तो इसकी ज़्यादा कोई लेंदी बैरक तो नहीं है. Definitely there are some topics which are very important. You should have the conceptual clarity of that. That's it. So इस सब्जेक्ट को आप conceptually पढ़ें. This is what I would suggest all of you, because इसमें एलिमिनेट करने जैसा ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. जैसे CPC में अगर आपने पिछली वीडियो देखी होगी, मैंने आपको बताया था कि कुछ टॉपिक्स आप टोटली एलिमिनेट भी कर सकते हैं. बट इन दिस लॉ ऑलरेडी इट्स अ शॉर्ट वन एंड देर आर वेरी लेस थिंग्स विच यू कैन एलिमिनेट, बट यू कैन हैव द बेसिक कंसेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी दैट इज मोर देन इनफ फॉर यू फॉर दिस एग्जाम IBPS and this subject. Having the basic conceptual clarity is more than enough for you. So this is how I would suggest all of you to approach this particular act. Coming to the important topics of that, but before that I would like to announce that today is Black Friday sale at iExamBee, and there is a 50% off which is available on all the online courses. If you just use this code BFS50 and you can enroll immediately. तो जितने भी courses available हैं आप www.iexamee.com पे जाके checkout कर सकते हैं, be it law courses or any other courses as well. You can also check out the demo courses and do avail this benefit of Black Friday sale which is there only for today, 24th of November. And yes, definitely you can prepare 50% faster with us at iExamBee. I will tell you some important areas from Indian Evidence Act You can start with the basic definitions, and in that you have seen may presume, shall presume. These concepts, the presumptions is very very important because it is there entirely spread out in the act. You can see may presume, shall presume everywhere. But what is the meaning of this presumptions? So this conceptual clarity you need to have. कंक्लूसिव प्रूफ क्या है, मे प्रिज्यूम क्या है, शैल प्रिज्यूम क्या है, इन तीनों के बीच में डिफरेंस क्या है, डॉक्यूमेंट की डेफिनेशन अच्छे से पढ़नी है, एविडेंस का मीनिंग एंड डेफिनेशन अच्छे से पढ़ना है, कोर्ट में क्या क्या आता है as per the definition in Indian Evidence Act, that you have to read. So like this you have to be vigilant from your exam point of view. Whatever is important, just try to pick it up. I'll tell you in this act many things will be important only for you. So you have to have the conceptual clarity and move ahead. You don't need to go into very much detail. Important is that you know all the important concepts from this act. Relevancy of facts. In that there are various kinds of facts which are covered, be it res geste, be it alibi. Res geste, I would say, is the most important concept over here. Then coming to plea of alibi is also one. But since from your exam point of view, I would suggest that the most important is going to be res geste for you. अगर कोई क्रिमिनल लॉ एग्जाम है तो उसमें आइडेंटिफिकेशन परेड, फिर एलिबी, ये सारे कंसेप्ट काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाते हैं. Admission, confession, it goes without saying that these are very very important concepts, and dying declaration as well. It is not very vast, let me tell you, it is not very vast. And अगर आपने LLB में अच्छे से पढ़ाई की है तो definitely आपको ये ज़्यादा difficult नहीं जाएगा. Admission, confession, what is the difference between both? What is dying declaration? And dying declaration is a self-serving statement, then why are we accepting it? All these concepts. Moving to the most important part for you people for your exam is oral evidence, documentary evidence. You should not have confusion in this. Primary evidence, secondary evidence. ये basic conceptual clarity आपको होनी चाहिए कि primary evidence क्या है, secondary evidence क्या है, oral evidence क्या है, documentary evidence क्या है. ये सबसे ज़्यादा आपको use में आने वाला provision है in your working sector. So there should not be any kind of confusion over here. You can refer to examples also for that purpose and understand this. Burden of proof, definitely it is a very very important topic from the Evidence Act. You can go through the basic provisions for understanding burden of proof. What is the difference between burden and onus? What shifts? Onus of proof shifts, burden does not shift, so that you can study. Estoppel principle, you can study that. It's a very short chapter, will not take much time. And then examination of witnesses. ये तो आप सिर्फ एक casual reading भी दे दोगे तो आपके लिए काफ़ी हो जाएगा. What is cross examination, what is chief, what is re-examination, whether it begins with cross or whether it begins with chief examination. That basic procedure you can just have a reading of. उसमें ज़्यादा ऐसे conceptual तो कुछ भी है नहीं. You just have to make yourself aware of it. So this is how you can ace the entire Indian Evidence Act. Just you should know that how much time you have to devote it, and it is not very time consuming, let me tell you, like some other laws. But if a question comes from this, definitely it will be a benefit for you. So from that point of view, you have to cover this law, and it is also easy and interesting. If you have any queries, we are there to help you. Anytime you can reach out to us in the comment section of this video, or else you can write to us an email on hello@exam.com. As I told you, you can also call us on the number displayed on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe. Prepare 50% faster with us at iExamB.